everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at a bottle of metal polish. This is made by Weiman. Maybe it's Weiman, but I call it Weiman. And it comes in a small, what size is this? Like an 8 fluid ounce bottle, but you don't use a lot of this stuff for each particular use. And I wanted to show you how effective it was. We are a online sales company, and we do stuff like pick old things like this. This is an old Farberware super fast fully automatic percolator, and it had been sitting unused in some nice lady's house for years and years and years, and it develops a patina over time. Now here's what the one side looks like. You can probably see just all this kind of grayish blue mottled area, just not a nice shine. On this side you can see that that is not there, and I'm going to show you really quick. I'll put this camera on a tripod. How quickly you can remove that tarnish to make it like a mirror finish. And this is not going to break the bank. I'm guessing it's under $5, but I'll put the actual amount at the bottom of the screen. But let's go ahead and set this up on a tripod and I'll show you how effective it is. Real simple to use. First, shake it up like crazy. Get all that special stuff together. You'll need a applicator rag, and this is what I cleaned off the other one in just a few seconds, that black stuff, that dark stuff. So what I'm going to do is turn this around to that mottled side, the dirty side. Take my 2 fingers and put them underneath here and put a little of this on there. Let's see. I put about a quarter-size drop on there. And then I'm just going to rub it on, and we'll buff it off immediately. So you rub it on wherever you want that stuff to disappear. A little bit underneath the handle. Okay. I don't know, how long have I been doing this? 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds? Put that to the side. Get a clean cloth. You know, one of your cleaning cloths from the house. Some people call them rags. And now I'm just going to dry that off. And instantly, the tarnish, the discoloration, the very light patina is gone. So you have a piece that you can proudly display, or if you're selling them like us, one that you can, it sells itself. So within a few seconds, this Weiman metal polish takes a discolored, tarnished, slightly patinaed piece of metal back to a mirror finish, and it's amazing. In fact, you can probably see my reflection in there. Okay, that's it. So from a company perspective, I recommend this stuff. We use it sparingly. Well, we use it for all the products we need to shine up quickly and easily. If you're interested in getting this, I'll put a link down in the description below. But as always, thanks for watching.